Welcome friends, my name is Raj and you are watching my YouTube channel. In this video, I will tell you a story, Ek Boond Ishq. With the help of this story, you will get some entertainment as well as you will also improve your English. So let's start today's video. There was a female, her name was Sitara Devi. She was very poor. Her husband died 8 years ago because of cancer and she was very poor. She had two children, one daughter and one son. She used to work on Eat Bhatta. Eat Bhatta is called brick kiln in English language, but I will use the word Eat Bhatta because this makes story more realistic. So Sitara Devi had no other way. She used to make brick and bake them in Eid Bhatta, and this way she made money. She earned his bread and butter. After some months, she fell in love with a man, Dharamveer. Dharamveer also used to work on Eid Bhatta. Both fell in love and made relationship. Dharamveer supported Sitara Devi's family very much. He used to bring milk, vegetable, wheat flour, tea, sugar, all the household things for Sitara Devi. And on that time, her children was also very happy. So both were working on Eid Bhatta and both were in love. Both often made relationship. One day, Dharamveer said that I really love you and I want to marry with you. Sitara Devi blushed and she was very happy on that moment. She said, I also love you and I also want to marry with you. But first, let me ask this thing to my children because because I need to talk to them. When Sitara Devi on that evening, Sitara Devi went to her home and asked her children that she want to marry with Dharamveer. But but her son and her daughter was against the marriage. They were thinking that it will be an immoral act and Sitara Devi should live alone and should not marry to anyone. So Sitara Devi was very sad on this thing. After some weeks, Sitara Devi's son was run over by a vehicle on the road. He died immediately. Sitara Devi and Dharamveer cried a lot on this incident. And friends, what happened? After some months, Sitara Devi's daughter died of pneumonia. So Sitara Devi understood that Dharamveer is unlucky and rest for her. She said to Dharamveer, you are unlucky and rest for me. I will never marry you. She said. Dharamveer said that this is not my fault. It was written in destiny. It is not my fault. I still love you. I want to marry you. I want to live my all life with you. But Sitara Devi did not listen. She left the place and disappeared. Dharamveer still works on that Eid Bhatta and loves and and he loves Sidara Devi even today. So friends, this was the story Ek Bond Ishq. I think you will like it, and if you have liked the story, like, comment and subscribe my channel. If you have any question, ask me in the comment section, and this story is 100% true. Thank you.